All right, so we got it set up. If you guys notice, I'm just testing one out right now, and we're gonna show you the modes. And right now we have it on, but you could set up your timer with the system. All right, and right now we're gonna set these up on the garden. But before we do that, want to make sure that they're all set up properly, and we're gonna set up the timer too. Thing that they didn't teach you guys, I'm gonna teach you. The red cable is gonna be the one with the light, the writing on it, and then I set it up in here. It just grabs onto the first cable. So it's just grabbing on. So you could move this anywhere you want, and it's completely sealed in. So we're gonna try these two lights out now. So those two turned on. We're gonna continue with all four. So here we have all four of them set up already. We're gonna set them up tonight and see how beautiful they look. We got our timer set up in here. All right, check them out. We just set them up on the pool area. Beautiful atmosphere on it. Let me take you a little closer so you can see. So right now, we're connected to a power source with a timer. It's a little difficult if you don't have all the cable and the equipment with you. But other than that, once you get all the equipment and the cable, you have them all lined up in here. Right now we set up 4, and they're really bright. You can see the pathways on this. Really beautiful lights. You guys can see it. So if you guys are looking for great lights for outdoors, these are perfect. And right now we put them about maybe 3 feet apart from each other, but they change the whole atmosphere here at night. In fact, I'm gonna turn off the light so you guys can see a little bit better.